think I also wanted to, for the sake of the video, I wanted to explain about this replacement color, because the quinacridone nickel azo gold is no more. I have actually a pretty big bottle of it left, so I'm not worried. But in my last workshop in Rockport, I actually mixed up some of the replacement color. And it's these two colors here. It's the transparent red iron oxide, 3 parts to 1 part nickel azo yellow. And these are the same golden fluid acrylics. I think I put this info in all of the PDFs now, because I used to put in the quinacridone nickel azo gold and you can't get it anymore. So I've been adding that little note to how you can mix a replacement for that color. And I'm going to show you, I have my quinacridone gold here that I've been using for ages. And I have, this is the new gold that I mixed up in my workshop. And I wanted to show you both of them on a paper plate, just smeared around a little bit to show you how close it really is. I was very impressed. There was a website called Just Paint, or I can't remember what it's called. I'll put the link in the video. But I think I also had the link in the suggestions, the PDF for this paint along. So there's some of the quinacridone. I have to tell myself which is which because I won't be able to really tell. And here's some of the new mixture. Okay, so this one here is the quinacridone nickel azo gold mixed in with the pumice gel. And I'm gonna just smear that around a little bit so you can get a view of the look of it. Now through my camera to your monitor, it might look a lot different than it does here, but we'll be able to compare both of these. This is the new mixture. This is the transparent red iron oxide with a nickel azo yellow added. And I'll show you how that looks when it's spread out. So, can you tell a difference? I really can't tell the difference. So those people that are formulating pigments and colors on that site, they really knew what they were doing when they came up with this combo. So now it's just like one added step. Instead of having one acrylic color added to the pumice gel, you need 2 acrylic colors adding to the pumice gel. But it still comes out beautiful. So I'm going to be using the new gold today in this demo.